welcome back to the channel. Now, a couple of weeks ago, it was my birthday. I'm getting old now. And I got a lovely gift from my in-laws, which is in this box. It's quite a big box, probably comes up to my midriff, between my ribs and my hips. I know what it is, but I thought I'd unbox it in a video and show you all because it's absolutely stunning. Yeah, I really hope you like it. So let's get outside and unbox it. So there we are. Finally, I have a blue tree. I've been wanting one for years. It's not a blue atlas cedar, but I can work up to that. I mean, this is just absolutely stunning. There's a funny story. I actually ordered one for myself. So yeah, two of them turned up. One, I think I might just let grow. The other one, not this one, the other one I've got has already got quite a nice sort of structure into the trunk. You can see where it's been grafted, but I think it looks pretty cool. Might just need a little bit of wire on it, I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little video, and as always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and share, and I will catch you all in the next one.